Look closely, the air conditioning access panel in their home is designed in a really clever way. He took advantage of the gap between the air conditioning unit space and the load-bearing wall to perfectly fit a washer and dryer, then used a mural-style hidden door to cover the access panel. He also made full use of the access panel to create a storage cabinet for laundry detergent. Opening it allows access for AC maintenance, and when the mural door is slid shut normally, it looks really nice. Who would have thought of all that? The designer is truly brilliant.